Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. First off, we're going to start by applying a concealer all over our eyelid. Now I'm using a cream concealer that is a shade lighter than my complexion, and it's very important to do this as it forms a great base for your eyeshadow. And everything that you do to one eyelid, you always ensure that you reciprocate it on the other eyelid. Now I'm just going to apply setting powder all over my eyelid, after which I'm going to start off by applying my transition shade, which is a soft brown, to my crease, which is the part of my eyelid that folds whenever my eyes are open. So I'm just applying it in a sweep-like motion, after which I go in with a darker brown shade underneath my crease. After doing that, I'm going to go in with a black color or eyeshadow color to the outer lower lid of my eyes, and all this is to ensure that my eyelids has a gradient effect. That is, the eyeshadows come off as if they're getting lighter as we go or get to my brow region. The next step will be to apply an eyeshadow primer, which will help to make your eyeshadow pop off even more. Okay, and I usually do this by applying it to the inner and middle lower lids because that's where I want my stage color or my pop-off color to be. Haven't done that, I'm applying this gold eyeshadow. It's a shimmering gold eyeshadow color. I'm applying it just on where I primed. After doing that, I'm going to go in with my blending brush and try to blend in the both colors, that is the gold color and the black color, to avoid any form of harshness or harsh line showing on my eyelid. Now I'm just applying my eyeliner, which is also very optional. You can skip this step if you don't want it. Now I'm just going to apply my setting powder mixed with my transition shade to my upper eyelid to give my eyelid a gradient effect, so that when you look at my eyelid and the colors I've applied from my brow region down to my lower lid, the colors tend to get more darker or more harsher. This is just me coating my eyelashes with my mascara, and I will highly recommend this step whether or not you want to apply any form of false lashes. And after that, I just go on to do the rest of my face. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's very important. And thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. One thing I would say about makeup is that makeup takes time to learn, to perfect. And honestly, no matter how perfect you think you are, there's always room for betterment or to get better. So that's one thing I would say about makeup. It takes years and years of practice to know what actually suits your face or what actually suits maybe a client's face over time. So if you're starting up makeup, maybe you are starting up makeup professionally or you are doing it just for yourself, just know that you have to be patient with yourself. It can take time. Whatever you don't get now, give yourself some time, and in a few weeks you'll be so good at it that you won't even remember that there was actually a time when makeup was challenging for you. To finish up the eye look, I went in with a blue eyeshadow just to smudge my waterline and add a little more drama to my eyes. And this is the finished result. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to like. I really do appreciate that. And also subscribe to the channel. Please, please, please kindly subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. Would you be recreating it? Let me know. Bye, lovelies.